G'day guys, so I've just found a blue wren. If you can't see him, he's right over there. He's the guy with the blue head. He's a male. I can tell he's a male because only the males will have the blue head. As always, usually in the bird worlds, the male bird will be much prettier than the females. And you can tell he's a solitary male because usually they have lots of females around them. I was coming quite close. But yeah, usually they have like around 4 to 5 female blue wrens around them. And they're a lot grayer colour, so but usually when you see them, they have them, but today this guy doesn't seem to. He's quite a cute little bird. Wow. These are kind of like the equivalent for European and North American viewers of like a robin in Australia, something like a wren. It's like this guy, he's a nice little bird. And he's just foraging around trying to get some food. Yeah. We're in the Morialta gorge at the moment. It's kind of like there's loads of waterfalls here, 3 waterfalls in fact, and it's a brilliant place to find some wildlife. It's like this guy. I'm going to try to find some more. This is a very common place in Morialta. The waterfall gives its name Morialta Falls because of this waterfall. There's actually 3 waterfalls in this whole place. And fun fact about waterfalls, the biggest in the world is in Venezuela, the Angel Falls. People get a lot mixed up between if the biggest is Angel Falls or Niagara Falls or Victoria Falls in Africa, but it's actually Angel Falls in Venezuela. So I'm going to try to find some wildlife now. Sometimes you do find wildlife in the water here that it flows down, as we can see. And yeah, so we're going to try to find some wildlife now. Let's go on the hunt. G'day guys, so we did actually get another clip of this rabbit. Unfortunately we couldn't put it in the main video because of audio issues, so I'm doing a voice over the top. But yeah, rabbits are an invasive species in Australia. They're really bad for the environment. They eat all the crops, and they're especially bad for wombats because obviously a rabbit is going to be way faster than a wombat is because a wombat's big and chubby and a bit slow, a bit stocky. But yeah, rabbits obviously going to be faster than wombats, so a rabbit will eat the plants that the wombats are supposed to eat, and the wombat's left to eat some poisonous invasive plants. But yeah, so rabbits bad for the environment. Just because they're bad for the environment doesn't mean not quite cute. You know, I still like rabbits even though they're bad for the environment. You know, they're not bad. They're pretty common if you live in Europe, North America, and Asia and other parts of the world. Yeah, that's what we know about rabbits, and let's continue on with the video. So another big attraction here in Morialta is the cave, and I've actually seen bats in that cave. I didn't go up there because there's some people in there, a bit noisy, so it'd be safer to film it down here. And yeah, caves are brilliant ecosystems from all around the world where life can thrive in all sorts of ways. Like obviously it's got bats, an iconic animal in caves, and then there's like snakes, lizards, millions of insects. There's a cave in Borneo which has millions of cockroaches on the bottom of it. And I remember there's a documentary called Planet Earth where they went in there and they had to wear like these big lab coats and they're up to their legs in cockroaches and stuff. So yeah, anyway, we'll try to find some wildlife. Let's go. Guys, now we've found some native wildlife. We've found an animal that's very common here. So of course the koala, he's right up there in the tree. The 3rd time we filmed the 3rd video he's been in on our channel now. Becoming a bit of a icon of our channel. Very popular animal in Australia. One of my favourites. And you know, I love seeing these guys in the wild because they're unfortunately endangered due to deforestation and bushfires, and fortunately they do get hit by cars. But yeah, it's great to see these guys in the wild. So it's right up there in the tree. If you're a tourist or someone visiting Australia or have bad luck finding koalas in the wild, a good place to come is here or Belair National Park. That's where I filmed my last one on koalas. But yeah, there's a great koala right up there in the tree, having a bit of a munch on the eucalyptus trees. But yeah, love koalas to bits. They're one of my favourite animals in the world. We're going to try and find some more stuff now. We'll see what we can find now. Let's go. G'day guys. So we found most of the stuff today. I have to get a move on. So thank you all for watching the video today. It's a lovely place here. Hopefully I can come again sometime for another video. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.